can see so far, I've moved into a new accommodation for placement, so temporary accommodation again. If you've watched my previous vlog, it's not my previous vlog, but a couple of vlogs back, I'll probably put the vlog up here where I showed you glimpse of my placement accommodation. So now I'm in another one, and I'll be here for about 6 weeks, and I'll have a combination of GP and hospital placement. So I think GP for 2 to 3 weeks and hospital placement for the rest of the 3 weeks, I believe. And then I have private study week, and then I have my finals. So it's quite packed. So yeah, I'll just show you guys a glimpse of how it looks like. I'm literally just going to get some work done quickly, and then I think today I'm just going to order food. I barely order food, but I'm really tired today, so order food. And then tomorrow I have a GP placement, starts at 8, and I might take you guys through my day depending on how it goes really. So first of all, I need to find out where exactly I'm going, check how far away it is from here, and pack, because I do have a long day. So I'm scheduled to be at placement from I think 8 to 5, which is a pretty long day really. And yeah, so I need to definitely, you know, sort out lunch and stuff like that. So yeah, that's about it really. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Today is the 23rd of May and it's about 5 p.m. right now, or to be precise, it's 5:15 p.m. right now, and I've decided to upload the vlogs probably in July or so, when I'm free, no exams, no stress, because I take a long time to edit. Even though my vlogs are really short, I take a long time to edit. I thought I'll continue vlogging, and whenever I get the time I will post. You probably see this video probably maybe in July or August, but this is actually May. I've got an essay to write, so I've got my laptop here and I'm gonna get cracking with this essay. I've literally made myself a cup of tea as well. Guys, you know me, this mug goes with me everywhere. I actually brought my own mug with me, even though they are like mugs here. I just love tea in my own mug. So I'm literally just going to get some work done and hopefully talk to you guys later on. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I've done some of my essay and I'm kind of tired, but I've just ordered food. Hi guys, so my live GP placement, because of infection control I have to wear scrubs. Okay guys, so I'm about to have my break, and so today I have GP placement from 8 to 5. So it's currently 1, so I have 4 hours to go. Come on guys, so it is Friday the 4th of June and I'm literally just about to submit one of my essays that I've just done, and I'm so glad it's over because it was just in the way basically of my revision. So I'm literally about to submit soon and hopefully get cracking with revision. But I do need to get breakfast. And yeah, catch up with you guys later. All done. Just did some questions on QuizMed. So let's see what I got.
To 6 weeks later.
Guys, I really have an exam in about 2 hours. I'm not sure if I actually told you guys, but this exam is actually 3 hours long. 3 hours long. Yes. I need to even call my mum. My mum actually usually calls me before my exam or day before my exam, but she called me last night, but I was already asleep. So let me call her quickly because I don't want her calling me whilst I have an exam. And usually she like ends up praying, you know, the usual mum stuff. She loves to pray for me before my exam. And it's kind of like a routine now. So like I can't do an exam without her praying for me. It just feels weird. Let's see if she picks up. No answer. Amen.
Be among the people that will do the exam today that will pass it in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
I'm praying for you.
Thank you.
I'm at your back. Don't worry.
Okay. So, had a chat with my mum. Knew she's gonna go through her usual prayers and stuff. I'm not gonna stress too much and just I don't know. I've had my breakfast, so I'm really just going to just chill for a bit, read maybe a few things.
The next day.
Hi guys, so today is 6th of July. It's actually my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. Even though I know you probably don't watch my videos. Does my dad know I do YouTube? I think he knows, like he sees me like at home recording, but I don't know if he knows I actually post these videos online. But anyways, happy birthday, Dad. So today, yesterday was my exam, part 1 of my finals. And it was a 3-hour long exam, very long exam. But I'm glad it's out of the way. Hopefully it went well. Praying it goes well. And I just have one more exam left, which is a data interpretation exam, like imaging, so you can see like ECGs, X-rays, CTs, MRIs, like just so many different things, calculations. And that's my last exam, which is on a Friday. And then I can finally go home. I can see my family. I haven't seen them in months. Can't wait to go home. Can't wait to enjoy my summer. And I'm excited. Like, this summer should be good. I just need to get over this phase because right now I'm so tired. I've just been very tired for the last month or so. Sleep deprived, big time. So I can't wait to literally sleep, have a good sleep. Can't wait to eat my mum's food. He's probably watching this and thinking, yep. And yeah, so that's it really. Didn't have much for breakfast. I just had watermelon, really wasn't really hungry, but I probably have a big lunch. And that's it really. So that's a quick update, guys. I hope everyone's well. I hope if you've got exams coming up or if you're done with exams, I hope it went well. If you still have exams, good luck. But by the time I post this video, I think most people should be done with their exams. So I hope it goes well. I'll catch up with you guys later, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe when my exams are done, I'm not sure. Yeah, anyways, bye guys. I'm going to show you a book that I really love. Hold on. It's a good book that I like in terms of anatomy. Oh. So this is a book here. So it's the Martini's Atlas of the Human Body. notes here, but it actually came with another book. So this is like an extra with the actual, there's a bigger version of the book. If I have the link for the book, I'll put it in the description box below. And I know you guys can see it, but it's got like real life like anatomy, and then also some like scans here. So here, this is an MRI scan of the brain, and it gives you different views as well. And then you can see the brain here, but I'm not doing modules linked to the brain, so I'm doing heart, lung, abdomen, pelvis, so pelvic region, genital region, so actually a urogenital. Hi guys, so it's been 2 days since my exam, and yeah, I've been basically relaxing, chilling. I'm back home, and yeah, I forgot to give you guys an update about the exam. So the exam was data interpretation, and the exam was okay. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I pass. Hopefully it turns out well. Yeah, so now I'm back home, and honestly guys, so I got back home. My parents surprised me. Here's this. Let me show you guys. I've got a ring light. My dad surprised me with a ring light. This is really nice. And then they got me this as well. And I'm just like, why? They didn't need to. Pretty much got me a whole filming kit. I think they want me to take this YouTube live seriously. Like a whole setup for filming. But I'm gonna see or attempt to do it. I did not do anything down. I'm gonna start editing videos. Oh yeah, and I ordered a few things. I actually opened it already, so I got some stuff from Feel Unique. Well, actually just one thing. So I got my foundation. So I like using, I don't know if people say Lancome. Got this foundation. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, shade 13. And is it full coverage? So this is how it looks like. This is the foundation I use. And when I actually go out, I'll show you guys how it looks. Got this little necklace. It's got heartbeat, heart, and it's got a stethoscope at the end. Actually, let me just try it. So, where is one? So this is a necklace. This is so cute. So if I thought it'd be more like up here. Maybe we should give you guys a closer view. So cute. Also, okay, I got something else because I don't have a desk in my room at the moment, so I got like a table, and you can use it whilst you're on your bed. I'm going to show you guys. This is turned into like that was it, a portable laptop tray. And I got this from, where was it one? Argos. So I'm able to be productive whilst, let me show you guys the setup. I'm currently, oh, I can actually even do this. So yeah, I'm currently editing a video, and actually let me show you guys the view from this side. So this is my current setup. I'm about to edit this video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hopefully you see my next video. Thank you guys, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye guys.